good to see you. And we're at school and y'all aren't, and my hair's sticking up, but that's okay. We are going to do some, what are we doing?
Ordering numbers.
That's what we're doing. So Amber's doing the writing because she writes pretty. And I'm doing the calculator.
Because you calculate pretty.
Because I have a good finger to point. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
All right. We're going to identify the smallest number. So if you're taking a test or the SOL or anything else, you circle smallest. Because you want to make sure you're doing that. And then we're going to make everything a percent that isn't already a percent. That first guy is a what?
A decimal?
It is a decimal. Very good. And how do we change everything to a percent?
Multiply by 100.
Hello. And that's 32.1%. So we're going to write it down.
32 point, fat decimal, 1%.
Very good. And the next one, is it a percent?
Yes.
Do we multiply it by 100? No. So we just write it down. Because I like to write stuff down.
33%.
Okay, what kind of number is the next one, Amber?
Scientific notation.
Well, guess what that means. It is not a percent. Therefore, where's the little thingy? There it is. Thank you. We have to do that. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to what?
Times by 100. Multiply by 100.
Yes, because we have to make it a percent. And it becomes 46%. Those of you that aren't in our class, please change things to percent. It makes it easier. We promise. Okay, the next one, what kind of number is it?
A fraction.
We have to multiply by 100.
Yes.
So 1 divided by 4, and then we're going to move that, multiply by 100, and we get 25%. Now, I'm going to look at that. Which one of those numbers? 32.1%, 33%, 46%, or 25% is the smallest? You want to give it a try?
I think the smallest is 25%.
Miss Benson has got it. All right, next one. Let's do this. Okay, place in descending order. Descending order starts with a D, and that means you're going down. Oh, God, I can't do that anymore because it's hard getting back up. All right. Whew. So the first thing we're going to do is change all these guys into percent. Because that's what we like to do. 1, and then we're going to come over here, and we're going to do, did you put a, there, thank you so much for doing that.
I forgot.
1 divided by 12, and then we're going to multiply by 100 because we want it to be a percent, and there you go. We got
108.3%.
Very good. We got the first one. So let's go to the next one. 2.3 times 10 to the first power. And then we're going to multiply it by 100. And we get 2,300%. That's a big old percent, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
The next one is 44%, but it's already a percent, so we don't have to change it.
Done.
Yep. Those are the only ones we don't multiply by 100. If it has a percent, you don't multiply. But if it's anything else, you multiply by 100. Here we go. Decimal. We got to multiply that, baby. 0.052 times 100 gives us 5.2%. Very good. And we are going in descending order. So if we're going down, that means we're starting with the biggest and we're going to the littlest. So we must find the biggest first. Which one do you think is the biggest? Go ahead, Miss Vincent.
This one.
Yes!
2,300%.
Ah, excellent. So that's the biggest. Now, which one do you think is the next biggest?
This one.
I think you are correct. So move that down. Very good. Which one do you think is the next biggest?
This one.
Excellent work. You are doing such a good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And which one do you think is the littlest?
Just itty bitty one.
Excellent. And if you're a good test taker, you check those and do them again. Very nice, Vanna. Okay, next.
I have one more ascending and then one between.
Let's do the between.
Okay.
Excellent.
This one's
Ascending,
bigger.
by the way. Ascending means little bitty and you go up, big, get big. Okay?
Easy.
Okay. So we're going to do a between.
Okay.
Now, guys,
Ugh.
test taking skills. When you see what's between these two, okay, you're going to have to know what these two guys are as percentages. Then you change all of these guys to percentages, and then you can look at the between. Okay? So let's do that first. So let's change those top two to percentages.
Okay.
So 3.9, what is it?
Times 10 to the negative 1.
Okay, and we're going to make that puppy a percent by multiplying by 100. 39%.
39%.
Uh-oh. Hang on, we're getting a pen.
I'm going to just put it over here.
Okay, so we got 39%, and the other one is already a percent, so it's just 30. And then we're going to put a blank in between, so we remember that's where we're trying to fit. We're trying to fit in between 39% and 30%, okay? So let's go to that square root of 1 over there. So we're going to take a square root of 1, then we're going to move out, and we're going to multiply times 100. I know that that's silly, because we're going to do it anyway, just because we like to follow that pattern. So we know that is 100%, okay? So we can actually look at that and say, is that in there? Heck no.
Absolutely not.
There's no way that's going to be the answer, but there you go. That's what we have. So let's try the next one. 3 times 10 to the oh shoot, Ruby. Ruby's being silly. To the negative, did I do that right?
Yeah.
3, yes. Y'all got to
And
remember.
then times 100.
Times
Yep.
100. I have a hole in my head now for real, so
0.3%.
That's a little bitty tiny teeny percent.
Baby percent.
And think about it. Does that little bitty tiny teensy weensy percent fit between those two? No.
Mm-mm.
That guy's not going to be the answer either. But let's go on to the next one. 0.32 times 100 gives us 32%. That might fit in there.
32 between 39 and 30.
It is.
It is.
So we know that's our answer, but you know what? We're going to check
well,
the last
I
two.
think there's more than one.
Ooh, circle all of the numbers.
Be
You got to be
careful.
careful about that. See? All right, we got to keep looking.
Okay, 2 more.
So let's try 5 divided by 19, and we're going to multiply that by 100 to make it a percent. Ooh,
26.3.
That's not in there.
That's not between those two.
No, that's sneaky though, because it's awfully close to 30.
It's real close.
Yeah, and then 1 divided by 3 times 100 is 33.3%. And guess what? That is between there. So we have another answer. So be super careful. You never know when there might be more than one answer. Hi guys, it's so good to see you. I miss you so much.